Hi. So this is an interesting couple. They came to us with married life of 8 years. The husband is actually 34 years old, wife is 24 years old. And we had done a complete evaluation and there was not much female factor, but regarding the male factor, it was a severe actinoteratospermia with high D effect. So we had tried a couple of IUIs and we had tried other modes of treatment, but finally the couple was willing to go for an IVF procedure as they wanted a sooner conception. So we planned for the IVF procedure, and these are the eggs retrieved, and then this is how the ICSI is done. You can see the sperm is here. Now they are injecting the sperm. You can see that all these embryos are formed. These are the embryos, and we had done the transfer also for them. We are hoping to get a good result and we pray to God to get it.